a case on file right here about relationship and who born who and who get born first. And was it born when the baby was there? Now,
The last case you're trying, or you have other cases?
This is the last case.
What's about this a case where me have to come a last?
yes.
It's more like a no, it's more like a big case because the people of TikTok, they want to know so they can know who they're supposed to give wrong from right and who's supposed to go to jail from who's supposed to be free.
Thank you.
Some has been believing that you had cheated in the process of impregnations. So we would like for you to clear the air so everyone can know what have went wrong and where the cheating has been started. Because they understand that both party has been cheating in.
So you want me to clear my ear on that, Your Honor?
Yes. Thank you.
No, there have never been a case where I've cheated while I was pregnant. Not that girl will never ever ever be that girl. Never.
So was the cheating come in place when you give birth to your child?
No, Your Honor, never. That's not the case. That's not what happened.
Okay. So would you like to explain what really took place?
Nothing took place. He had a baby on me, Your Honor, and when he had the baby, that's when we were separated for 6 months. We were not in a relationship. We were going to counseling as well because we decided that a whole baby was the hit for me, and I decided that there's no way you're gonna have a baby on me, and I just let that slide because I was pretty much done. And he decided that he wanted to work it out, so we decided to go to counseling, and it was in that period it happened. I was not pregnant. I was no halfway near pregnant. It's way before everything. And I spoke it myself on my YouTube channel that it was way before. So there's not really nothing to clear up because I already cleared it up. But I wanted to come here because I wanted to make sure you guys don't get the wrong information. So I come and I tell you guys my truth, and that's my truth.
Okay. Mr. Grace. Mr. Grace, is your time in the court to ask the questions? And
No, but she have told us, as I have heard, that she never cheat on
Never.
Never.
Never cheated while I was pregnant. After I'm pregnant, no. The cheating took place when he had the baby. That was in Florida.
okay.
I was not pregnant that time. It was way after.
Oh my God.
Are you saying when you cheated, you and your partner were separated
Correct.
but got back together?
Correct.
So you guys were separated in the process of you cheated on him because he had a baby on you.
Correct. That's what
But
it
you were
was.
still his wife.
Yes, I was.
So you guys were still documented husband and wife.
Yes.
So you cheated because you feel betrayed.
Correct.
Okay.
Was that relationship was accumulated a long time ago or was that recent?
No.
So the person you cheat with, was he a person that keep you in the moment of you breaking down?
Correct.
And that's where you get the go ahead to proceed.
There was no go ahead to proceed. I was grown enough to make my own decision, so I did what I wanted to do at the time because he was doing what he wanted to do at the time.
Okay.
There's nothing to proceed.
So it's an eye for a eye and a tooth for a tooth.
I wouldn't say that.
So you didn't think that was
Not
wrong?
something that was right. So I didn't think it was an eye for an eye because it was wrong. Right.
And you let bygones be bygones and you've been
And
back
I
together.
correct. Forgive, forget, move on. Yes, but it was
And you
just
got pregnated in that period.
yes.
So what led to this now again for you guys to be?
Because after he had the baby on me and I decided that I'm gonna still proceed with his documents for him to come here. We were going to counseling and we decided that hey, we both did wrongful stuff, so we're just gonna go to counseling. I'm still gonna get you here and proceed with our life. He came here and he pretty much did the same thing but worse. So that's why it led to me putting down my foot and said, that is it, I'm done. Yeah. So that's it.
Just
And
a
I
few
put me
more.
first and now I'm focusing on me and my kids.
That's very
So
good.
we have all now learned.
And what he did, I'll know you guys still don't know, but as I said, it's worse than what he did in Jamaica, but it's with 3 females this time, not just 1, but 3, but worse. So I just don't want to speak on that, but it's
But I want to
worse.
say, Miss Russia, that boys can be boys at times, and for him to even have a threesome, it cannot be that serious for him to have 3 girls at once.
Mr. Grace,
That's been
Mr. Grace,
Mr. Grace,
Mr. Grace.
sensible in this court here.
Mr. Grace, that's very sensitive and you're going to hurt my feelings.
sorry about that, Miss Russia, but
Mr. Grace,
Excuse me?
sorry about that.
Mr. Grace, get a hold of yourself, young man.
I don't know what's wrong with...
Was the proof that you have gotten is solid enough that you could proceed?
Very solid. Very solid. It's in my phone. It's everywhere. It's very solid. I have very, very solid.
Until today, day you have it in
Until
your phone.
today day, very solid, sir. Very solid. Anybody knows me, I am a fighter. I love my marriage. I'm a family girl. I will fight for my marriage until I hear a voice, fight no more. And this was just my breaking point. I'm like, I'm very pretty. I know my worth. I know what I bring to the table. So there's nothing to hang on in this situation. Since he got here, it got worse.
So
So,
this is like enough is enough.
correct. And I'm just in the process right now of just him signing the papers so we both can go our separate ways and focus on our beautiful kids. That's
So you
it.
have already been healed.
No, I'm not healed. I'm still in the process of healing. I don't know when I'm gonna ever heal, but I'll be okay.
So is it that serious that it's gonna took you so long for you to be healed?
I'm not like the rest of the girls that believe that once you're out of a relationship today, you should jump with another man tomorrow. I cannot be that girl. I have to
remember-
be one, and I have to just take time and focus on myself.
Always remember, Rochelle, that you have already cheated, so it's not
Oh,
like
that's different from focusing on done with that relationship and I focus on you. What is wrong with you doing that then and I focus on you now? Nothing wrong with that.
for someone to cheat. I think they have gone over their partner. You know, I think they have already been healed and they decided to go now. So this is the time for them to give it up.
Well, we're all entitled to our own opinions. That's your opinion, and my opinion is my opinion.
Mrs. Rochelle,
Yes.
if my goat host offended you in any way, I apologize. He's a bit harsh with his words. He
I
does
could see that.
Just a few questions before you go, Miss Rochelle, because there's a lot of topics that I don't think we get to reach as yet. How do you feel after you have created your first cheating error?
How do I feel? I felt it was. I didn't feel anyway, because it happened in the time when I was hurting. You was hurting me, and I was just pleasing myself. But I knew it was wrong. But you can't, you not know to say, "Oh, I feel away." We just know it wrong after it happened. It's wrong. Like once you do something that's wrong and you can't accept say you're wrong and you can't move on with your life because you know it was wrong, it was just wrong.
So, in this process of you guys,
Mm-hmm.
because you know that he cheated on you, and you have evidence and you have proof.
Multiple times.
Did multiple times. Correct, Mr. Grace. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Grace, thank you for reminding us.
Um, in that process of you finding out that he cheated on you multiple times, and you still giving him a chance on the upper hand to, you know, to hide, separate your feelings aside and be there. In the process of you cheating, did he know
No, I
before
told
you told
him.
the public?
I told him. I told him I was going to do it back to him. I told him. And that's why he begged for us to work it out and go to counseling. He's going to stop. We're going to fix it. We're going to come to America, live as a happy family. I told him.
So he know that you
He
cheated
knew,
and
yes.
he accepted it.
It has nothing. No, we didn't accept it. He asked for us to fix it. It's not
Okay.
accepting it. He asked for us to fix it and just work things out. And that's what we did. But to him, as I say, man and man, then can't stop. When we woman we do want something and regret doing it, the man then want continue and leave them, eat them, have them cake and eat it. Like oh the man them still.
So I just have a lot of questions.
Yeah, you say you have three, you asked two already, one left. But just come over here to clear the ear, because I know when I have a talk on the ear and I want to know
Mr. Grace,
my mouth. What really happened.
I guess Mr. Grace is thinking about his question.
No, my question is too serious right now. I just glad that you cleared the air, that you haven't cheated on, because I have told the public that cheating on a pregnated
I
belly.
heard that, Your Honor. I'm sorry to interrupt. That's why I'm here. That is why I'm here.
What do you heard? I'm sorry.
That it happened on my belly. That when I was pregnant, I'm like, no, no, no. Remind
So
you, when
rumors
I
that
was
are going
pregnant, I was
around.
in Jamaica the entire time. When I got pregnant with my daughter, we were together the entire time. I came up January after my birthday. That's when I left Jamaica and I had baby January 26th. I was in Jamaica the entire time during my pregnancy. With my son, he was here. We lived together here in Atlanta when I got pregnant with my son. He was living here with me while I got pregnant. So I had to clear. That's why I'm here. Because
So
that's not something I would ever
saying
do.
that you were loyal to this whole case until you
Right.
reached the age point of cheating.
Correct, sir.
Okay. When do you come to this final understanding with yourself and realize that, listen, I'm going to get this divorce. I am going to move on with my life. It might not be like how I
Your
want.
Honor, I think it's in the process of when she caught up with the three personnels. She have decided that.
No, no, that's no. Honestly, no. It happened, Lord God, this I go in the details, I know. When I found out about the three persons in Atlanta, I said nothing. I was there. I just sit there, relax, and observe. Is when I got the proof on my phone. And that's months after.
So you're telling the court that your husband have a threesome.
I never said threesome. Why y'all trying to take that out my mouth? I never said that.
You said three
Three
personnel.
females, yes, but I did not.
Oh, it wasn't at once.
Oh, I understand what you're saying.
What?
It's a foursome.
Any other questions before I
No
go?
discussion. I don't want for you to give the people of TikTok that they want to know, because when I said three females, you want to turn away your head.
Yes. What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you implying?
You said 3 personnels, Mrs.
Yes,
Mr.
That's
let
why
me
I
to be
said three
specific on
females.
the cabana.
What?
Oh my God.
Okay.
Three
So,
deep, three females, 3 different times.
okay, thank you. That's what we're looking
But I
for.
thought that's what I said. Situation that he was in, and I was just waiting to get the actual proof, and that's when I decided that that was it. I got the proof.
Okay, so it was just the proof you needed.
I wanted just the proof to say that you have not changed. You came and you want to have your cake and eat it.
Okay, so if he have already ate all the 3 cases and you now you just want a divorce and that's it.
Correct.
So is it that you're going to be he don't want to share the benefits is with you that he don't want to sign off on the divorce? Or he
Well,
just
pretty much that's the only thing he's holding on to. Because
what about his wife? You don't think he want back his wife?
he wants to be on the street. He belongs to the street. That's what he wants. He don't want a family.
So are you saying that your husband don't want to sign the paper because of the benefits?
That's the only reason. That's the only thing he's holding on to.
Oh my God.
That's the only thing. Because once he signed that, all the marital benefits the status will change. So that's the only thing I could think of. Maybe there's other reasons. I'm not sure. Yeah.
Okay, Miss
So
Michelle.
far, that's what I know about.
So we have closed all the allegedly that the cheating was on the belly. We get that out of the air.
Yeah.
This cases now have to be closed, Mr. Red Bull, because she have cleared the air.
Right.
And how much cake he have leave? Does he have any cake leave?
3.
He eat them all?
He still have the 3.
You pretty much still have the 3 cakes.
Okay, so you have 3 cakes leave.
Right.
But she's just out of it. Enough is enough.
Okay.
Just want Mr. De Niro to sign off on these divorce paper, Mr. Red Bull.
You guys will get update when that happens.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Grace, I would like to put De Niro case pending. I would like you to remove Rochelle case for me, please. Reason being, De Niro case is pending because he don't want to sign the paper for the benefits. Put that on pending. Cheated on the girl when she was loyal. Pending. No ambition. Pending. So put then your case on standby for me, Mr. Grace.
Okay, Miss Rochelle, you're now free to go. You have
Thank
cleared the air. Thanks for being here. And
Thank
the people
you.
of TikTok say you're very beautiful.
Tell them thank you and I appreciate it.
Mrs. Rochelle,
Yes, sir.
great mom you are.
Thank you.
Wonderful. And I like the fact that you stand up as a woman and you stand up for your rights. And I think the ladihoods are proud of you. Continue to
It's not ladyhood. I have to be lady pum pum or something.
It's
That's
a bunch of lady vaginas are proud of you.
Thank
So,
you.